This project is special because it's one of the largest fueling facilities in Southern California.
And this is the biggest single tank set that we've ever done.
6 40,000-gallon tanks and then one DEF tank, it's 8,000 gallons, 248,000 gallons of fuel storage. It's a big deal.
It's unique, it's on tribal land. The sheer size of this and just the impact it's going to have on the community here is amazing.
This is a huge first step for the tribe to move out of gaming, and economic diversification is extremely important for all tribes, but especially for future generational stability. And for this tribe, it thinks 7 generations ahead. This place happens to be a very large first venture, but location, location, location. That's what it's about. And we have a great location.
We're a general contractor, specializes in the petroleum industry. We're an equipment distributor, an installer, and a service company. And that's kind of what makes Western Pump quite unique. So we can take a concept and take it from design to procuring all the equipment, to installing all the equipment, and after completion we have the capability of servicing that for years to come.
We had a chance to interview many different fueling contractors. Western Pump has a very good reputation. It's done many projects like this, and one of the key things for us is, yes, price is important, but it's the right fit.
This is what I dream about when the concept first hits the desk. So when we get to this stage, we're quite proud as a company that we're pulling this off, and we're going to watch this thing through over the process over the next several months, and we're going to be back here when we turn that key and make this thing operational to help our customer.